discovery.
Okay. Were there any objections filed, timely objections filed?
No, Your Honor. No response, no objections.
All right. Mr. Pettigrew, I'm going to allow you to answer these within 2 weeks. You waived all your objections, but I'm not going to award any type of sanctions. So if you could prepare Mr. Malonga an order to that effect, make sure, let me finish. At the beginning of the order, say that this was heard on April 18th, 2022, and share it with Mr. Pettigrew. Make sure you email my court coordinator as well as e-file it, and you guys are excused. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I will do that.
Thank you. All right, National Wholesale Supply versus LV Pump and Supply LLC, or is Mr. Frankel here?
Your Honor, Jacob Masters here for National Wholesale Supply. Tyler Frankel's not with our office anymore.
Okay. Is anybody represent LV Pump and Supply? It looks like they're non-represented.
Correct, they're pro se.
Okay.
They don't seem to be on the line.
All right. Well, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go on the record, Tony, on DC 1813264, National Wholesale Supply Inc. versus LV Pump and Supply LLC. Counsel, make your appearance.
This is Jacob Masters. I'm counsel for the plaintiff, National Wholesale Supply Inc.
And I just do want to point out on the record that Tyler Frankel is the attorney of record on this case, according to the clerk's office. And so if it's okay for you to go forward today, but you may want to go ahead and contact them and make sure you get substituted in.
Is it possible to file like just a letter with the court updating the lead counsel on that?
It would be fine with me, but it's the clerk's office that has to update it. So you have to file an actual notice or an order or a motion.
Understood.
All right, go ahead with your argument.
Okay. This is a motion to compel responses to post-judgment discovery in aid of a judgment. That judgment was granted back in November 2018. It's related to a commercial construction materials related debt. National Wholesale is a supplier. LV Pump was a subcontractor or contractor using those materials. The judgment was granted in 2018 for about $22,000. That has not been paid at this point. Post-judgment discovery requests, including interrogatories and requests for production, were sent to LV Pump and to Mr. Alcorn on its behalf and individually back in February 2019. We never got any response to those discovery. After some time to let this sit, because there was a belief that pursuing it would be fruitful at the time, we reached out again to Mr. Alcorn at the end of last year. We had some communications with him, but we weren't able to get this resolved. We're asking now for the court to intervene to compel him to go ahead and answer those so that we can continue with collection in this case.
Court will grant your motion. Anything else today? Let me just check when I'm having problems with my computer. Sorry.
And we're requesting our costs related to pursuing this motion to compel, which came out to $455.
Okay, let me just look at
And
okay.
attorney's fees.
All right, the court will grant relief as requested. Anything else today?
That's all, Your Honor. Thank you.
Rhonda, if you could come in real quick. Can you grab Rhonda for me real quick, Gary? Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Anyone here on Najavi versus Keller?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, Lisa Sanji on behalf of Ms. Keller, though my associate Genesis Reed, who is in here, is going to be handling the hearing. I'm going to pass my computer over to her.
Sorry, it's printing out that way. Okay. And that's the messages. All right, opposing counsel here.
I don't see them, Your Honor.
Gwen Bella. No, I'm sorry. That's the first case. Bejan Godfrey. Mr. Cazares, what are you here for, sir? Mr. Cazares,
Good morning. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Sorry, I was on
what
mute.
case are you here for?
I am here for the Ortiz matter, Your Honor. It is Jesus Ortiz.
I don't see a Jesus Ortiz case. Let me see.
On the trial docket for tomorrow.
What?
It's,
It's on the
trial.
trial. Oh, okay. Are they having like an emergency motion of continuance or something?
No, that was the one that you wanted to talk to them regarding the asbestos case for next week as well.
Was this the special setting for next week, you said?
Yes.
Are you, Mr. Cazares, are you specially set next week in my court?
Your Honor, I believe we're set for jury trial tomorrow.